without you.
Only 2 games and both we lost. And
I
Shashank
guess
was
we
trying to
should
do
be live.
that as his
we are
vlog.
live. What's up, guys? It's me, Shashank, and I'm back with another video. So, actually, if you see, this is my third attempt to do this video. Hope this is successful. So, what we are going to do is me, Advik, Daksh, and Shveer. We all are going to go into the secret boat and try to use that loot only to win. That's pretty difficult to do, actually. That's why this is like my third attempt. Hope that I get this. I have dibs on the airdrop. I have dibs on the airdrop.
Yeah. Yeah, and so and you know we
Be ready up.
do like if we get more than 10 likes.
Yeah, if I get more than 10 likes, I am going to do the Death Run Part 2 video. The Death Run which I did in the last season, the 100 level dumb run. Why am I doing this? Be ready up.
We
Wait, I'll join you all.
I'm gonna get Scuba Jonesy.
You cannot get Scuba Jonesy. He's not a free skin.
What?
Scuba Jonesy is not a free skin.
Let us for free.
Scuba Jonesy is not free. Oh. Hello, I cannot hear you.
Yeah, I'll pass it. Who Discord?
Default squad. Wait, I'm coming in a minute.
And James. Take it before it low. Oh god.
Wait, I'm not ready anymore. One second, I have to send.
I'm back. Are you all in the game?
Is everyone ready? No.
Everyone's ready.
No, we're still getting.
I'm glitching.
Sure, it's not ready yet.
Shaurya and Revamp.
No, Shaurya and Electric Revamp are not ready. Now Shaurya is ready. Electric Revamp is not ready till now. Don't think so. Daksh, I think so.
Daksh and
I can glitch.
we ready up. Daksh and we ready up.
Yeah, Daksh. Now Shashank, you have to get ready up.
I am ready.
You have to get ready.
Back is fast ready.
Oh yeah.
You're going to buy the battle
I'm
pass
checking
today?
on my channel. Okay, I hope this happens this time. So default squad going to that day.
Do
the boat.
It's possible one.
Wait, I cannot hear you. Hello? Why can't I hear anyone?
One. Only one.
And like you.
I am taking the airdrop loot.
That's twisted.
Yeah, Daksh, you know, in the last game we were playing, I saw a flare gun that was upside down. A flare gun
is your
upside
glitch.
down.
I
That
hate
was
mine.
very
when
bad.
I-
Weakness that I'm flying. Like flying as like flying for like a second. I mean the mini was flying. The
Yeah,
mini
dude.
I'm lagging.
This person has like, gosh, come to me. This
Yeah,
person is like dancing and then it's like a whole backflip and he sleeps and it comes.
it's
Okay, that's Billy Bounce. He just
Flippin'
did that one.
sexy.
This person.
That was
The person
flippin'
doing
sexy.
Billy Bounce.
That emote is called
The person
flippin'
doing
sexy.
Billy Bounce just did that. And who is Llama guy? Oh god.
Oh, I have this.
Oh, you have that?
Oh,
Oh, then even I'm gonna do my backflip.
I'm gonna take 4 damage and then I'm gonna take 4 damage, but I got 14,000 XP.
Oh, intensity.
To be clap, can we
Hi-fi.
It's hot, guys. I'm going to
Yeah, I tried.
Wait, I'll search.
Hi-fi,
get
yeah. No, for me.
Hey, dude, stop moving. Don't come in the way. Because when someone gets knocked, when someone gets knocked, carry them, do the high five emote, so that then
Yeah.
the emote together and slap his.
Chee. Okay, we can do that. We
What
can do that. You can.
Yeah,
It's like a thing.
Dude, build up. Build up.
It's like a
But
thing in
is it
which
only? Is it
Oh,
only?
God.
we cannot specify
only we
it.
have to.
We won't specify the thing
Back to
because
back.
my
That's
viewers
not
will
it.
kill me.
Dude. I'm gonna be like an N. I'm gonna jump now.
Wait, wait. Let me mark the boat first. Don't jump. Where's
It's
the
here.
boat? It's there. It's not the boat. No, not
No,
there.
I'm not stupid. This is the boat.
No. It's somewhere near Steamy
Dude.
Stacks.
Yeah.
It's over there. Yeah, the place where I've marked. That's not the boat. That's
The
Steamy.
boat is like it's a human. Can't you
Okay,
see?
wait. Just a minute.
It's in the
Yeah, I
right.
can see the boat.
Yeah, it's in the place where I've marked.
Yeah, I can see it.
Dude, that
told-
means you don't have to jump.
You can jump automatically. You can
Like, you don't
jump.
have to
You'll jump automatically.
jump.
Where are
To
you?
jump automatically.
Advik, where are
Yeah.
you? I cannot see you. Ha, Advik's glitched. Advik's glitched.
Oh, that's true. No, I'll act on the bus.
You are there. You are there in the game. Are you there in the game?
Okay, this is going to be more difficult. We will fall short of.
I have dibs on the airdrop. I have dibs on the
No one
airdrop.
break them.
Nobody break the slurp barrels.
No one break. Yeah.
I'm
So
just
they're gonna
breaking the
break
cardboard
that
box. Yes, I found a shotgun. Also. Bro, my
Dude, I have nothing. I'm not down till now.
What do you get? A
Gosh, I'm gonna
sniper?
land up.
No. Shashank, no. Hey, bro, come on.
Get over here.
Someone wants an SMG. Sardine.
Dude, I just
Like
got a
we-
burst and a pistol. No, gosh. Oh, I'm 14 now. Okay, now I have a big pot. I have 4 mushrooms.
There are 2 mushrooms.
No.
I'm breaking
Oh,
the barrels.
that was
Everyone
close.
come to.
I am full. I'm full.
Just a minute. Okay, give me the tuck splash. Tuck
Wait,
splash.
I'll
Tuck
throw.
splash. Yeah, everyone come together. Okay. I have only 20 till now.
It's
Give
chuck
me-
splashes.
I need 10 and then I can
Break the
chuck
slurp.
splash. Where are the chuck splash?
Break the slurp
Where's the
barrels.
chuck?
Whoever.
Oh, yeah,
I got
I'll
it.
break that.
Hey, is there a fishing rod? Is it?
Nah. Oh my
Okay.
god.
I
was underwater for 2
rapid
minutes.
fire. I'm side grading my SMG to rapid fire.
Wait, where's Shaurya?
Everyone start farming.
Shaurya, get over here.
This
Come
boat
over here.
gives you- oh, they do.
Shaurya, come over
Okay,
here.
dude.
I mean, Veer, come behind. Come behind.
Am I close enough for the slurp barrel? That is
Yeah,
on
you
the
can
top?
use. Advik, come. I mean, Shaurya, come over here. Come over
Yeah,
here.
wait. I'm using the slurp.
Everyone don't break the full. Everyone don't make the.
Shaurya, come behind. I mean, Veer, come behind. Veer, come behind. Oh my god, Veer is in the party channel.
Collapse the whole.
Veer is in the party channel. Veer, come behind. Veer, come near the slurp barrels. Come behind. Come to the slurp barrels. Everyone
No, I need to
join
use
game
one
channel.
big pot
Everyone join game channel.
first. No, wait. Dude, I don't know how to do that. Game.
He did that. You are in the game channel. No
Hello.
need to swap now. You are in the game
Yeah,
channel.
okay. Okay, dude.
Hey, anybody has
name.
mushrooms or
I
anything?
just have. Yeah, I have.
Give it
Dude,
to
give me
Shaurya.
a
Give it to
gun. I have
Shaurya.
nothing. I just have a burst. I just have a burst. Give me something at least. I only have a burst.
Wait, I'll tell
Shaurya,
Revamp to join.
do
You
you
can
have
use any
more,
other
like,
loot.
any-
You can use other loot. You can
Dude.
use other loot.
you have any weapons? Dude, you have any weapons?
The boat after I finish.
Join the join this. Join the game channel. Join game channel.
Fine, I'm joining.
Advik, you can use any other weapon.
We can keep like other weapons and all, no?
No, you can use. I cannot
like,
use.
Oh,
Advik,
Dude,
hop
I
in.
need a weapon
then
as nothing.
If we get
Yeah,
that,
you
we
can
should
use
get
other
it now.
weapons. You can use other weapons. I can use the grappler, heat
I'll
launcher.
come in.
I can use the grappler, heat launcher, chuck
No,
jump.
no. Heat launcher is
Shaurya,
mine. Heat launcher is mine.
press E,
Heat
press
launcher
E,
is my
press
word.
E.
Press E. Bro, heat is my word. I would have added heat to my name. Press E.
What is-
Let me try. Dude, let me
Okay,
try.
everyone in.
Let me try. Let
Who
me
has
try.
the best rap
That's
over
all.
here?
Okay.
Oh my god.
I am on controller.
Dude,
You have a boss.
any
I have shotgun and rapid fire.
I have a burst.
If we find a weapon, we'll give it to you.
6 slurp.
That's what I wanted.
Dude, 6 slurp. 6 slurp
So,
mushroom.
I have 4 sardines.
Dude, I need
Oh.
chest in here. I really want that.
Yeah.
Can we dance on the boat?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Of course.
These
very
rocks are new.
dangerous.
Yeah, because everything is coming down now.
Green whatever. Who built it?
Of course, electric revamp. He's the only builder over here.
Spengy farm.
I need to match.
Okay, dude, can we wait here? I really need
We need the zone.
If there is ammo and chest and all over there. Fine, let us go direct authority. Let us
no,
go direct
not
authority.
no
Take it down,
authority.
take it down.
No authority. Lot of
Firing.
people. No authority. Dude, it's a real hot drop.
Oh,
There's firing over
You
here.
always
People over here.
There's
mark.
okay.
Someone
knock,
wants a
one knock.
shotgun, take.
One knock.
Yeah, wait.
I
I'm
literally
not
don't have
able
a
to get
shotgun.
off this thing.
Wait. If he has an AR, give it to me now, please. I don't have one.
Yeah.
Someone is shooting my boat.
Yeah, teammates are coming. I see one.
Yeah.
I'm killing
Dude, give me a gun. I have
No,
nothing.
he does not have an AR. Hey, give
No,
me AR
give me
ammo.
anything.
Revamp, give me AR ammo.
Wait.
I don't have.
Dude, give me something.
Yeah, I don't have.
I have nothing.
I marked one SMG over here.
Okay, thanks. Yes,
Ah.
excuse me, yeah. A sharp machine and dude, I'm carrying the slurp mushrooms.
Can I rush him?
I have like 8 slurp mushrooms. I have 8 slurp mushrooms.
Hey, give me his AR ammos. Revamp, I saw you taking AR ammos. Give me AR ammos.
Fine. Okay.
You liar. Your butts will be on fire. Oh, I am taking this purple XP coin.
You take whatever you want. I just want. Oh, yeah, that's it. I have my favorite gun in the game.
Hello?
Nah.
Oh my god, what's your mic? Hey, the key really has come down.
Yeah, it's come back.
Yeah.
Anyone
Oh no, the
notice?
zone is here.
Run
Zone.
into zone. Shaurya, Veer, everyone go into the
I
zone.
think we have to go to
Oh
authority.
yeah.
Yeah, go into
No,
authority.
what have
I think we'll have to go authority.
Go near the mark.
Okay, can y'all be close to me? I'm really far away from y'all.
Where are you? Advik, go. Yeah,
It's real
I'll
hard.
come. I'll come.
My
Shaurya,
god, the
Veer.
storm is so slow.
Yeah,
I mean,
why is it so
better.
fast? Why is
so
the zone
slow.
coming so fast? No, it's so fast.
Yeah, it was me.
Okay,
Yeah.
the firing.
Is
Dude, I have
someone
nothing.
here?
Can you give me
There's
something?
like 2 bots over here.
I know trick shot. You seem to have like a not a boat
Oh, shit.
or anything now. You got sniped
What
or
happened?
something? I need a medikit, I'm low.
Dude, I'm not able to perm. Gosh, I'm in the storm. I'm close.
Shit, I took
Gosh,
damage.
that was bad. Dude, take the boat. Bring
I
a
have-
boat or anything.
I'm about to die. So, I'm dead.
I am
3
idiot.
HP. 1 HP. I'm on 1 HP. Dude, give me the med kit. I'm 1 HP.
I have
I'm
one med
HP,
kit.
please. I'm on 1 HP. Look.
Yeah, I have slurp. I have slurp mushroom, so you can
People
have
over
that.
here.
Nah. I'm already. Mark.
Yeah,
People!
Gosh, someone's shooting.
I don't have a shotgun.
Dude, go for the zone, okay?
There should be another. Wait!
Are there too many people there or something?
Nah. Ah!
Yes, you are the drummer.
Too many people there.
I want that.
Oh.
Yes. Oh, yes, better, yeah.
Everyone, let's go into
Can
the
you drop
zone.
materials? I don't have any.
Oh, I'm taking the grapple.
Can you drop materials?
Dude,
I don't have any.
the zone.
You want mats?
To the zone.
Yeah, get over here.
Math, I have 0. I don't even have a single build. Oh, you got the grapple, guy?
Yeah.
Dude, I can't come from here or something. I'm not able to come.
Hey, dude, there's a green tag.
I cannot take weapons. I'll bring the chopper. I'm bringing the chopper.
Come, I'm coming. I'm the drum.
Is that
Advik!
Dude, I wanna come up.
Don't come up. Don't
Where
come
are
up.
you?
Shaurya,
That
stay there. Shaurya, stay there. Press W. Press.
There's a chopper.
I'm bringing.
Press E.
Chopper.
Press
Wait. I'm bringing. Wait.
Let me drive. You're bad at. No, you're bad
Press
at
E.
driving.
Press E. Shaurya, press E.
Aim over there and press.
Dude, where are y'all?
Press E.
Dude,
you
get
all-
in the chopper.
Can
Come
you all
fast.
come to me?
Shaurya, come fast.
Bro, we're leaving you.
Where? Where are
Press
you?
E. Press
Come
E.
down. Come more down.
Yeah, wait, I'm coming.
Come more down.
Oh, God.
Wait, Advik, don't come in the zone.
Okay, come here.
Get in.
Yeah. Wait.
Let it up.
Wait.
Get in, bro. You
Wait. Yeah, I'm in. someone has something.
I'm 39 HP.
Hey,
Revamp you drive. Revamp drive.
dude, I still don't have any guns. Like, can you remember that thing?
Oh my
Yeah,
God,
I'll
look
give
at
you.
how many airdrops are that sorted us.
Hoo-hoo. 2
We'll go
airdrops.
over here to heal.
Yeah, okay. Guys.
Mark.
Only one. Llama.
Hello?
96.
There are people there.
Shake him.
Where's the llama?
Right in front of. He's Black Panther. Buttman.
No.
He's Buttman. Be
Where's the
careful.
llama? There. I need a
Sniper.
map from it. You all can take all the ammo and all.
No, I need the big pot.
Yeah. I just need a medkit or something.
96
Yeah.
crack. You have hunting ammo.
There was no big pot. There was only these are my big pots.
I'm drinking only
Fine,
one.
have
I'm
one,
drinking
have
only
one.
one.
Yeah, fine.
Advik, come out. Hey, you have hunting rifle ammo?
Yeah, 80.
Give now. Thank you. Advik, come out of the chopper.
It's on.
Dude. Who shooted me or someone
Yeah,
did something?
I saw them.
Yeah, there was a guy. I
Gosh,
killed him.
gosh.
He has a golden
Dude,
weapon.
what should I do this
More
one?
than one person go.
Dude, I'm not in.
Where are you?
I'm
Yeah,
down.
Advik, I'll bring the chopper. Oh, you're down.
Now I'm trying to no-scope this kid.
Advik, run into the zone. Everyone run into the zone.
Oh, I no-scoped him.
No scope.
Okay, dude.
Everyone run. I'll bring the
this is
chopper for
bad.
you guys.
Oh, dude, the dude had attacked for me.
Advik, please don't tell me you lag.
Too bad Shashank
I lag.
can't take it.
Okay, now I'm
left?
not. Now I'm not.
No,
Pressy. Shaurya, pressy.
There's a
No,
hunting.
I'm not going in chopper.
Pressy.
If someone got rebooted,
Yeah, dude. Where should I come?
Come.
Where are you?
Over here, behind you.
Where are you?
Red mark.
Okay, I'm coming.
Everyone come here, I'm launching. I'm launching,
wait,
I'm
I'm coming.
launching.
You're
Coming.
lagging
Just a minute,
badly.
just a minute.
Yeah, get in.
Yours? Yeah, okay. This one. Okay, I'm
Come
Who's
here.
launching?
Nah, we won't
Hey,
launch
get out
with
of the chopper.
Dude, someone is hunting rifle ammo. I've
Hey, let me come in, let me come in.
There's some danger.
Let me try to get in. Like. No, it doesn't work anymore. If it does redeploy. It allowed me to redeploy. Who is the younger brother?
Veer. Shaurya. Veer. Yeah, Veer has a younger brother. Veer, you have a younger brother, na? I just want the...
Someone can pick that.
dude.
Llama! Another one! Oh my god! I'm 75 so quick. Oh, I've got XP supercharge. Hey! Only two people remaining.
Electric revamp.
Two people remaining.
We had fought in a red zone. There's another chopper there.
Everybody,
I hope it's
dub
not
is
a
very
bunker.
easy. The
Hey,
dub's very easy.
Flagon. No, Flagon will be so useful. No one is there except him.
There should be guys over here.
Book is if this thing is there now, then
I'm searching for Ocean.
it's ocean there.
Firing over there.
There?
Yeah, dude.
Wait, I swear. Huh? Where?
Dude, I need shield.
If we find
Guys are over there.
Okay, I think I got shield. I've stopped for mushrooms.
I'm rushing. But I got the blessings in the
Dude, I need hunting
Are you
rifle
trying to
ammo.
fight me?
I'm not
Hunting
the guy
rifle
who's
ammo.
trying to snipe you. 96 crack.
Where is he? No, of course, no. What? What are we?
Wait, shake him down. His teammate's healing. He's in.
Better attack.
Wait, let me try to no-scope this guy.
Sure.
Oh!
In the dress of Sharon,
He's low. Let's go.
we won.
Yay, we won. Thank you guys for watching.
Even I
Make sure you have an
have
awesome
won.
day. Bye-bye.
When I came, you all won.